Hello superstars. Welcome to the Teachers' Day Fun Quiz Show. Today we celebrate the heroes without capes, our teachers. Get ready to test your brain, laugh a little and learn a lot. Are you ready? Say yes teacher. Question 1. When is Teachers' Day celebrated in India? Is it A. 14th November, B. 15th August, C. 5th September, or D. 26th January? Time's up. The answer is 5th September. That's the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, our super smart teacher and president. Question 2. Whose birthday do we celebrate as Teachers' Day? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Dr. Radhakrishnan, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. B.R. Ambedkar. And the correct answer is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was not just a president, but also a super cool teacher loved by students. Question 3. In which year was Teachers' Day first celebrated in India? A. 1962, B. 1950, C. 1975, or D. 1980? And the answer is 1962. That's when students started celebrating their teacher president's birthday. Question 4. Who is the missile man of India and loved teaching kids? A. C.V. Raman, B. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. Homi Bhabha, or D. Vikram Sarabhai? Zoom. The answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He loved teaching so much, he taught till his last day. Truly inspiring. Question 5. Which ancient teacher wrote the Arthashastra? A. Aryabhata, B. Panini, C. Chanakya, D. Patanjali? And the wise answer is Chanakya. He was a teacher in Takshashila and a genius in politics and economics. Question 6. Who said the true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves? A. Swami Vivekanand, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Dr. Radhakrishnan, D. Rabindranath Tagore? The answer is Dr. Radhakrishnan. Yes, he wanted students to think, not just copy. Pretty smart. Question 7. When do we celebrate International Teachers' Day? A. 5th October, B. 15th September, C. 1st May, or D. 10th December? And the calendar says 5th October. That's when teachers around the world get their special day, thanks to UNESCO. Question 8. Who was the first Education Minister of Independent India? A. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. S. Radhakrishnan? And the history books say Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. He worked hard to spread modern education and helped set up IITs. Question 9. Which award did Dr. Radhakrishnan receive, the highest civilian honor of India? A. Padma Shri, B. Padma Vibhushan, C. Bharat Ratna, D. Dada Saheb Phalke Award? And the sparkling answer is Bharat Ratna, the highest honor of India, and he totally deserved it. Question 10. Who was the guru of Eklavya in the Mahabharata? A. Vishwamitra, B. Dronacharya, C. Kripacharya, D. Parshuram? And the epic answer is Dronacharya. He trained the Pandavas and Kauravas, and Eklavya respected him deeply. Question 11. Which organization declared 5th October as World Teachers' Day? A. UNESCO, B. WHO, C. UNDP, D. UNICEF. And the correct one is UNESCO. They said teachers deserve a worldwide thank you day. Question 12. What was Dr. Radhakrishnan's job before becoming President of India? A. Lawyer, B. Scientist, C. Teacher and philosopher, D. Freedom fighter. And the bookworm answer is teacher and philosopher. He taught at big universities, even Oxford.
Yay!
Question 13. What do students usually do in schools on Teachers' Day? A. Fasting, B. Teachers take leave, C. Students act as teachers, D. Schools remain closed. The fun answer is students act as teachers. Yes, kids get to be mini teachers for a day. How cool is that? Question 14. Which quote belongs to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? A. Teaching is a noble profession. B. Education is the most powerful weapon. C. A teacher affects eternity. D. The best teachers teach from the heart. And the rocket scientist answer is option A. Dr. Kalam loved teachers and said they shape the future. Question 15. Who is remembered as the Guru of Gurus in Indian mythology? A. Vyas, B. Valmiki, C. Vishwamitra, D. Vasistha. And the legendary answer is Vyas. He wrote the Mahabharata and is honored as the Adi Guru, the very first teacher. You've completed all 15 questions of the Teachers' Day quiz. Give yourself a superstar clap and don't forget to give your teachers a hug, or at least a giant thank you. Teachers light the path, and students like you make the future shine bright. Happy Teachers' Day, everyone. See you next time for more fun quizzes. Bye-bye.